channel, and we just got home from my sister's house, and I was surprised and excited to inform you that Amazon already delivered my TikTok tiles. Woohoo! I'm so excited to use this in our kitchen. Right, Anya? That's my daughter. So, hopefully you'll like our new kitchen backsplash today. So, let's get on with it. Instructions. And I choose this kind of color. Okay. So this is the color that I chose because it's gray and so neutral, and I'll be putting it here. Well, it says hopefully everything will work, or else I'm gonna have to order another batch online. I bought like, how many pieces are there in the box? It's like one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 40 pieces of this because I bought 4 packs. So hopefully all of this from there to there, all of them who has countertops. Okay. So let's see how.
Over here it's a bit smaller. In this case I'm gonna be making some measurements and cut the tic-tac tiles and make some adjustments from here. Let's see what we got here. We got about, as you see, about 8.5, right about 8.5 or 3/8, 8 3/8. And be cutting it over here. Then from there I'll which side am I going to be cutting it from? Let's see.
Yeah, that one.
That's this side in that case. Let's just go ahead and cut it in half from there. Just to be safe. Cut it in half would be the best bet for this particular. From there, we're definitely just going to cut it through, yes, as good as possible, so that way it's straight from the edges. Although I don't have the perfect scissors for this, this is actually the kitchen scissors, so it's not cutting perfectly, but it should be good enough to get the job done.
You just have to do it slowly but surely.
Yeah, that's pretty good enough. From there, I can go ahead and cut. I think. It happens to be that there's an outlet over here, so I have to make some adjustments. Gotta have some measurements on this particular cut. Rectangular that will fit this socket. Take it off. That way I could start measuring. Would you have a different one? A gray with this petal? Okay. Then we can go from there.
not really big. But are you ready for the reveal of our new DIY peel and stick backsplash? Here it goes. Here. Let's take a closer and better. We first planned to put like an entire backsplash over here until on top, but then JR said it's much better like this. So what do you guys think? Just comment down below and hopefully you can give it a thumbs up and subscribe on our channel. See you in our next one. Bye!